Howdy everybody. So I watched the last video. I made 3 of these molds. It's out of silicone, and today we're gonna make some of these stacking stones, is what I call them. So I'm just using this stuff, Quickcrete. Seems to be working. High strength concrete mix. I got it in my pail here because it's easier to move around with the handle rather than the bag. My concrete, and then I got this Quickcrete color mix. This is charcoal. It's the charcoal, and I'm not trying to get every one the exact same color because I'm trying to get different shades. So I'm putting less in some of them, more in some, to get them each one a different shade of gray. So I mix them individually with this pail. So I'm going to do that. I gotta turn my water on. Got my hose here. Then I just stir it with this little stick, because I don't got nothing else and I don't feel like buying anything. So we'll mix it up and we'll pour these. So I have 2 of these smaller molds. I'll show you here. I have 2 of the smaller ones. I think this one's probably the smallest, and then that one, and then this one's a little bit longer. So this one and this one get I fill about half of this up with concrete, and then the other one about 3/4. So we'll mix this up. Probably only do these 3 in the video because you don't want to see me making like 30 of them. That would take too long to film because I can only do 3 a day. Anyways, fill this up. Not bad, so we'll just take the color, shake it up a bit, just pour however dark you want it, pour it in there. That'll be good for that one. Like that. This one got pretty dark. I don't know if you can. Pretty dark, and all I gotta do is pour it in there. Spread it around. That one was maybe a little bit stiff, but well, see, that was pretty much the perfect amount for this one. And I just take just a little block, kind of jiggle it around in there, try and get it in onto get that detail in there. Can't really see what I'm doing. Here we go. That. Then I just have this. You could use a hammer, anything. I was just experimenting with this little piece that didn't turn out, but what I was experimenting for turned out awesome. You'll see in the next video. So I just tap the sides to vibrate it, get all the juice into the details, so it looks good. like to make sure I get it nice and vibrated. Get as many of the pockets out of there as you can. Then I'll just take this again and make it flat on the top. Just like so. Bam, you got one done. So we'll make another one. Yeah, I didn't even bother adding color to this one because it's just on the top. It's in the back anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. And now that I'm thinking about it, I should have done that anyways. Made little batches and put it on the bottom to save yourself some color, because this stuff isn't, it says it does like a 60-pound bag, but yeah, if you want to save yourself some color, you could just make a little batch and do like the bottom half with color, and then fill up the top with just regular without the color in it. Wouldn't matter. I probably would have done that had I thought about it, but I didn't think about it till just now. I was super happy with how these molds turned out. I'm I'm not sure how long they should last. Probably pretty much forever, I would think. But alright, so I got those 3 poured. That's all I can do in a day. Just like that. Now, you want to wait probably at least 24 hours because for them to dry. If you're too impatient like me and take them out too soon, they'll just break in half, which I have a few that are broken in half, which I think I can still use some of them, because I'll have to cut pieces or whatever out of them anyway, so I think they're still usable. But yeah, there's those 3 that I got made there. I'll leave those for 24 hours at least. So I have made a lot already. I'll show you what. We'll leave those, but I'll show you some of them, and then we'll come back to them tomorrow evening when I get home from work. We'll take those out of there and then we'll show you, but I'll show you some of the ones that I already built here. So these are the ones I built. So you can tell they're different colors, and this is what happens when you don't wait long enough. They just break. So you got to be patient, and if some of them do break, then hopefully you can still use them. Like was it yesterday? I was trying to make multiple yesterday, and this is what happened. However it went, I don't even know anymore. There's another piece to that yet, but see, it broke because I was trying to make 6 of them in one day. So that's what happened. It came off of here. See, like this one, you can see that it has different shades. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. That's a little bit from, it didn't get quite in there. I'm super happy how these are turning out. So I need to make a bunch more. I think I need like 30 of them. So I think I need like 30 of them. So I got a few to build yet. What do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 right now. So I'm getting there. A couple more days. So you only do a couple at a time, a few at a time. Anyways, we'll come back to this tomorrow and take those out of there. Okay, so we're here about 24 hours later, and take these out of the molds. Put you here so you can see. There they are. Hopefully that'll come out without breaking. It just comes right out of there. Break it off the edges first. Flip it over. And blammo. There you have it. That one turned out pretty good. There's that one. See this one now? Flip it over. There you go. Another one. And this one always breaks on me. So I'm happy that didn't break. Watch me drop it. These are actually coming out pretty clean. One more, this is the bigger one. They're sticking in there a little bit more because I left it in there longer than I usually do. But they're still coming out. If you would coat these with something yet, they'd come out real good. Perfect. There you have her. There's your brick, or your stone, your stacking stones, or stone veneer, whatever you want to call it. These ones turned out real good. Perfect. So that'll do it for this video. I'll have to, I gotta make a few more yet, but I don't need to keep showing you how to do it. So I got 19 now. I got 19, I think I need like 30, so I'll make some more of those. I'll fill those up once more, and then yeah. If you want to see what I'm doing here, what I'm going to be doing with these, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you watch my next videos to find out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like this video. See you next time.